Good morning. In Google Chrome, now you got to have version, let's see, at least 142.0.7x for you to have this feature. There's a feature called Split View. Now, I've experimented with it a little bit. I kind of like it. I kind of think it's useful, especially when you're doing things like I got to move content from this spreadsheet over to this tab in this spreadsheet. And I got to keep clicking back and forth in tabs. And I got to remember, what did I want here? And where did I want to put it here? And it can become tedious. However, if you're using split view, it gets a little easier. So let me show you how to use split view in Google Chrome. So first of all you got to do is go up here and click on one of your tabs, any one of your tabs, and you right click on it. And you can add tab to new split view. Well, let's go take a look at that. So I just turned on split view in one tab. And look, it's already saying to me, what do I want to put over here? I can put, look, I want to do this sheet. So it intuitively knows I want that sheet. So I'm going to click on it. And there we go. So it's all in one tab. So I can go over here and click on that and hit copy and come over here and hit paste. I don't need to go back and forth between tabs up here. I can simply go over here, get this, hit copy, and go over here and right click, and I can paste special values only. And I can come over here and I can change data over here and do whatever I want, do whatever calculations I want, grab a piece of content, copy it, and come over here and paste it however I want to paste it. Split view, pretty useful for you to be able to show two different, what would be normally tabs, in this case sheets, in one tab. Now, by the way, I don't know if I can do this or not, but can I add a third? Move tab. Oh, no, you can only have two. I can swap tabs, but I can't add a third tab in a split view. Now, what can I do here? Can I swap these? Arrange split view. I can reverse the views. Put this tab over here, or this sheet, and move this sheet or tab over here. And once I'm done this project or the work that needs to have these split views, then what I can do is go up here to one of these sheets, right click on here, and I can go to arrange split views, and I can say separate views and bring them back to individual tabs. Here's that one tab, and here's that tab. Again, split views in Google Chrome may be a really cool feature when you're having to work different tabs, maybe different Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Forms, etc., and you want to be able to manipulate the data all in one tab versus having to switch back and forth in different tabs. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools, and I hope this is useful for you.